Admit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
You have, you have not answered my question.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I have asked a doubt from you.
Yes. I'm giving you the answer of it. You have asked that how much quantity I have to take the Fevicol and color it, right?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. I'm showing you. You have to, if you have to make 3 envelopes, 3 or 4, I think it will be this much quantity. Are you able to see?
yes,
Okay, this much quantity will work for the tan envelopes. If you fill it inside the cone, it will work for the tan envelopes. Okay, and if you are putting the fabrical color, how much quantity you have to put inside the Fevicol, it depends upon you. If you want the light color, then you can put 2-3 drops. If you want dark color, then you can put some more quantity of the color. It's totally depends upon you how much you have, how much color you want to add. Okay, now we proceed further. Just take this cone. Now I'm showing you how to make the ceramic cone. If you all are having the ceramic, it's good, and if you are not having the ceramic powder, you can use the maida here. Okay, only for the practice I'm telling you the maida, that is all purpose flour we are using here. Okay, here is my ceramic powder. It is white in color,
Ma'am,
powdery.
I have one question.
Yes, tell me.
मैम ये जो मैंने फेविकॉल और एक्रेलिक कलर डाल के जो बनाया उसको फिलअप करना है क्या कॉन में?
हाँ मैम, आप उसको फिल कर लीजिए। यस, आप उसको फिल करके एक कोन तैयार कर लीजिए। मैं, मेरे पास एक कोन तैयार की हुई है
अच्छा,
ऑलरेडी। देखिए।
ये देखो मैम, इस तरह से ना फेविकॉल
यस
और
यस यस,
एक्रेलिक कलर
राइट।
को मिक्स करके वो कॉन बना।
Yes, and tie it with a rubber band. Tie it with a rubber band at the
ओके,
top. Okay, get ready with this 3D liner. I'm showing you how to make the ceramic cones. Okay, now this is your 3D liner. Now I'm adding ceramic powder here to make the yellow ceramic cone. If you are having the ceramic powder, then it is good. Otherwise, you can use maida. Okay, you can use maida and put few drops of lemon into it. Only 2 drops or 3 drops are sufficient for it. I'm mixing here like this. Please do not add water while mixing. If you feel like your Fevicol is thick, only then you need water. Like
Ma'am, how much quantity of maida we have to take?
only ma'am, little maida you can add here. All purpose flour, like I'm mixing here like this. I don't feel like I have to add water into it. See.
मैम ये मैदा और
Yes.
लेमन ड्रॉप्स,
Yes.
तो ये दो कलर तीनों को मिक्स करके पानी ऐड नहीं करना है?
मैम, फेविकॉल की कंसिस्टेंसी अगर थिक है तो ही पानी ऐड होगा, अदरवाइज आपके फेविकॉल में मैदा उतना ही डालिए कि वो मिक्स हो जाए। जैसे मैंने अभी बिल्कुल भी पानी ऐड नहीं किया है, फेविकॉल में सिर्फ सेरेमिक पाउडर डाला है और उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी ऐसी है। ये देखिए, आप देख सकते हैं, कंसिस्टेंसी वुड बी लाइक दिस। ओके,
मैम
नाउ
मैम इसके अंदर डाल, ये जो मैंने अभी ये फेविकॉल और कलर डाला हुआ, इसके अंदर मैं मैदा थोड़ा
यस,
डाल के बना सकती हूँ ना?
हाँ मैम, बना सकते हैं। आप 3D कोन भी तैयार कर सकते हैं और ये इसका कोन भी तैयार कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको डिफरेंस दिखाती हूँ। 3D कोन, 3D लाइनर और सेरेमिक का मैंने कार्ड बनाया हुआ है, दोनों हम यूज करते हैं लाइक दिस। Here it is. This I have done the ceramic work, and here I have done the 3D liner work. Okay, we can use both in a single envelope. If you are using the ceramic cone, you can do the work like this. I have pasted here the sticker sheets and done this ceramic work over it. Okay.
Ma'am, you come to say that these are two different variety of liners.
Yes.
Okay, in that case for ceram, you told how to preserve the Fevicol liner alone.
Liner,
How
yes.
to preserve this ceramic liner, ma'am?
Ma'am, ceramic cones are not long lasting actually, because it can
Okay.
be used up to 1 week or 2 weeks. After that, it will get dry. Like I will show you. I have done this ceramic work. It gets started drying from the front. Okay, then you can't do the like decoration part with this. So make a small quantity of the ceramic cones, use it in 1 week or 2 week, and then discard the cones. Okay, but 3D liners you can
Okay,
use
till
for
that
a long.
1 week can we? Okay, till that 1 week we can have it in the cone itself, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now
Thank you.
I'm just putting it inside the cone. My yellow color, is it looking bright? No. So I'm just adding few drops of yellow color to make it bright. Okay. You can use this for the decoration of the envelopes. Here I'm mixing. Now I'm putting it inside the cone. Here is my cone ready. I'm just tying the rubber over it, rubber band. Make sure that that rubber band will be tight. Now,
Wait a minute, ma'am.
yes.
मैम
Yes, tell me.
ये ऐसा हो रहा है
Show me. Ma'am, you have to add a little amount of water into it. Ma'am, consistency should be like this. As I have shown you, consistency should be like this. It will fall
लेमन जूस
down.
ऐड करो
Lemon juice, ma'am, only 2-3 drops, because maida will not stay for a long time. That's why I'm adding just lemon juice here. 2-3 drops only sufficient. Now, I hope everybody has done with this part. I have made red, green color ceramic cones here. Okay. Now, as I have given the pictures of this matty, it is used for the cross stitching purposes. Okay. So I have just cut a square. If you are having any fabric like khadi, jute, you can take the fabric and cut it into a square, a small square like this. You just cut a piece of cloth into a shape of a square like this. Okay. Now what we have to do next is take the corner and pull a thread from it like this. See, I'm just pulling out the thread.
Ma'am, explain it again. What
Okay.
is this?
Ma'am, this is a matty cloth. Okay.
Okay.
This is a matty cloth. This is used for the cross stitches purposes. Okay. Cross stitch cloth,
Okay.
red one. That is on the bed. Ask to mama. Cross stitch one. Okay. This is used for the cross stitching purposes. Okay. You can use here the jute cloth, or you can use here the khadi cloth also. Now what I'm doing here is just pulling out the thread like this. Pull the thread from the corner like this. See, I'm pulling out the thread. Okay, two thread. Now third thread. I'm pulling here the third thread. Do it with the same like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, it will look like this. When you pull out the thread from all the sides, it will look like this. Okay. Now paste it over the envelope. I'm pasting here. It will look like this. Okay. I'm pasting here. Hmm. I'm asking for the Kiansh cloth. Kiansh, जो आपने वो बनाया हुआ है ना क्रॉस स्टिच, जिस okay, now we are doing the decoration here. See, you can paste it like this. See, like this, or you can paste it like this. Okay, now I'm doing over here the ceramic decoration. Just have a look. See, this is a mat. This is a mat of cross stitch. Okay. This mat is used for the cross stitching purposes. Now, cut the cone. Now do the decoration over it. See, you can draw any design.
Ceramic cone.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have to use
yes,
ceramic
yes.
cone.
I'm using here ceramic cone. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to use this ceramic cone without mat.
Without?
ये मेट लगाए बिना हम सिरामिक कौन का यूज कर सकते
Yes,
हैं?
yes, you can use. I'm just telling you the using of mat here. This cross stitch mat, how can we use here? This I'm
Okay.
telling you. You can use this ceramic cones for decorative
Okay.
purposes. Any I'm doing here the decoration like this. You can use kundan, glasses, anything you can stick to the envelope and do the decoration of ceramic cone over it. See. It will look like this when you will do the decoration. Okay.
मैम थोड़ा पास से दिखाइए ना.
Yeah. See.
नीचे नीचे रखिए, ऊपर दिख रहा है. हाँ, ओके ओके.
Okay, it will look like this. Now.
Ma'am, there is any other alternative material
For the ceramic.
मैट के अलावा? नहीं, मैट के
yes,
अलावा
मैट
और?
के अलावा मैम जूट फैब्रिक you can use, खादी फैब्रिक you can use.
Okay.
Okay. It will look like this. Okay. Now we have to proceed further. Now I am showing you the leaf pattern envelope. Okay. Have you all done with this? Shall I proceed further? You can paste here the kundan like this. Here I am having glasses. This we can use and paste it in the corner. You can done the decoration according to you. Okay. Now I'm proceeding further. I'm showing you how to make the leaf card, leaf greeting card. See, this I have made. Okay. This I have made the leaf card. I have done here the golden dusting outline. Golden dust powder that I have told you. This I have used here. Okay. And I have just pasted an envelope inside this leaf card envelope. Here we can keep the money. Okay. It will look like this. Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Show me again, ma'am.
Which one, ma'am?
Leaf envelope.
Leaf envelope, ma'am.
Leaf envelope.
Yes, I'm showing you the leaf one. You have to just take a big sheet. I'm showing you the technique. This I'm going to teach you now. See, here is your envelope. We have to paste an envelope inside this leaf card. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how can you make the leaf over it. Just take a big sheet. I have taken a marriage card. Okay, here is my marriage card. I have taken this.
मॅरेज कार्ड म्हणजे काय पत्रिका लग्नाची.
See, what we have to do next is take a sheet like this. Now what we have to do next is just draw a leaf like this. Keep fold, make 3 folds like this, one over the other. Okay, make 3 equal, divide the card into 3 equal parts and fold it like this. Okay, fold it like this. Now draw a leaf over it.
Wait
How
a
can
minute, ma'am.
yes, shall we proceed?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the size of the envelope what we are doing now is 18 inches,
Yes, ma'am.
18 centimeter.
Yes,
So for
18
this,
centimeter.
how big it should be?
Ma'am, it depends upon you. I have made this envelope like this. Okay, if you are taking measurements like if you are taking small measurements, your envelope will small in size. I have taken this size. Okay, you can take a rectangle of any measurement. It depends upon you. Like I have a marriage card like this. I have taken this card and I'm going to make this card as a leaf envelope. See, fold this envelope into 3 equal parts like this, fold it like this. Now make a leaf over it. I'm showing you how you have to make the leaf. See, what you have to do is make a leaf, start from the edge, draw a leaf like this, one part, this, make a leaf like this. Make a leaf like this. Okay.
मग आपल्याला कसं समजेल कसं
Please,
करायचंय
please,
आपल्याला
please mute yourself,
आता
ma'am.
काहीच तर नाही
See,
Mute yourself म्हणजे
please make a leaf like this. Okay. Now what you have to do next is make a second leaf like this. Make a difference between two leaves like this because we have to cut it. So draw another leaf very close to it, but leave some space between these two leaves. Okay. Now do it like this. Draw another leaf. Okay. You have to draw two leaves simultaneously like this. Now what we have to do is cut the second leaf. The second leaf you have drawn into the card, we have to cut the second leaf. Okay. Please draw the leaf and cut it like this. Draw the second leaf and cut it. Cut it very carefully because we will use this second leaf in the third flap for cutting. Cut it very carefully. See.
मैम ये लीफ के अलावा कोई और शेप कर सकते हैं क्या?
Sorry.
लीफ के अलावा कोई और शेप
हाँ मैम,
सिंपल ऐसे कुछ
इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू, पर ये लीफ कार्ड लुक वाइज बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए ही मैं लीफ कार्ड ये आपको बता रही हूँ। मैं अभी और भी आपको दिखाऊंगी सर्कुलर, हार्ट शेप्ड, another there are so many varieties I'm gonna show you. This is a leaf card, just go with me. I have cutted this leaf like this, keep it aside, and now cut the first leaf over this outline. Okay, cut it like this. First leaf I'm talking about, cut it like this, cut this flap and use the scissor and cut the leaf like this. हमें we can use any sticker to paste these two flaps. I have used here a Ganeshji because I am having this Ganeshji. See, I have this Ganeshji, so I have made a golden sheet and cut this sheet into this shape and paste this Ganeshji over it so that it will look like this. I have used this Ganeshji like this. Okay. Now cut this leaf with the help of scissor. See, I have cutted this leaf. It will look like this. Okay. Now what we have to do next is this leaf which we have drawn earlier, we have to keep this leaf like this. See, okay. We will draw this leaf here. Okay. We will draw this leaf here and then cut this flap like this. Okay. I'm just drawing it here. I'm just drawing here. Now again cut this card into the shape of leaf which we have drawn here. We will cut this card like this. See, it will look like this. My card is ready, leaf card. Okay. Now what you have to do next is, if you want to keep close, you just paste a sticker over here and close the two leaves like this and paste an envelope here to keep the money and close the flaps. Here is your leaf envelope card. Okay. Now we are moving forward. Let me show you how can we use mirror and can do the ceramic work over it. This meeting will end in 10 minutes again. See, here is my mirror. I'm just pasting this mirror over the envelope. I have made this envelope. See, I'm pasting this mirror here. Okay, now we have to do the ceramic work over it. We can do it like this.
मैम वापस से ज्वाइन करने का है क्या?
Yes, ma'am. If it will get disconnected, you just please click the link again. अगर डिस्कनेक्ट होता है तो आप फिर से लिंक पर क्लिक करिएगा. This is how we can decorate with the use of the ceramic cone. You can decorate an envelope like this with the help of the ceramic. Okay. Now we are moving forward. I'm showing you how to use the foam, this kind of foam, for doing the ceramic work over it. You can use the foam here. Just take ceramic, 3 colors. Here I'm taking the red, green and yellow. You can use the foam. See, I'm taking the ceramic color here. Red, green and yellow I have already in my bowl. Take this foam, small part of the foam. Take the yellow color ceramic from the bowl like this and give a texture over it. Like this you can give the texture. Are you able to see? You can give the texture over the envelope like this. See, it will look like this. You can use the foam. Now I'm taking the red color. It will give a nice texture when you are using foam with the ceramic. Okay, take the green color. See, your envelope will look like this by using foam.
मैम
Yes.
वो सिरामिक का लाइनर का बनाया था वो लिया कि सॉरी सिरामिक क्ले को
मैम जो हमने
Yeah.
ceramic बनाया था. See, here is our ceramic. We have made the ceramic and we are using foam here to for giving this texture. Okay.
हम लोगों को कॉर्नफ्लोर यूज करना है ना हमने कॉर्नफ्लोर से बनाया है
Corn flour, yes, you can use. Ma'am, only for practicing purposes, I'm giving you the suggestion for the corn flour, maida you can use. But after lockdown, you can purchase the ceramic powder from the market and do this work with the help of ceramic. Okay.
Ma'am, alternative of the this ceramic maida will we have to use, but no texture is given, like you get that texture.
Ma'am,
जो texture है वो सारा नहीं मिलता है.
ma'am, show me your consistency. I think your consistency should be thick. If it is thin in consistency, then it will not give you this type of texture.
तो हमें 1 या 2 ड्रॉप पानी ऐड करना होगा उसमें.
Yes, ma'am. It should be thick. It should be thick. If it will be
Okay.
thick in consistency, then it will not give you this kind of texture. Okay. Now we have to
Okay.
proceed further. I am showing you how can we use borders to make the envelopes. Okay. I'm just showing you this card. See. This card I have made. Okay. This is a marriage card. See. Just have a look. It is a old marriage invitation card. We can use it as for the envelope. You can use the borders like this, like it is a marriage card. These are the borders here. Just cut it and paste it all around. I'm showing you again one more card I'm having with the border. See, I have made this card. I have used this border here and have made this envelope like this. Anyone wants explanation of sponge texture card again? Please unmute yourself. If you want the explanation of a sponge card again, then I can give you the explanation. Otherwise,
in ceramic,
yes.
ma'am, in ceramic paste also you have to add Fevicol and
Yes, we have to add Fevicol. Otherwise, ceramic will not work, ma'am. We have to add Fevicol, ceramic, and color. 3 things we have to add.
okay.
I'm showing you the sponge texture again. See, here is my sponge. Here is my sponge. I have taken this ceramic. Okay, just take this ceramic into the sponge like this and give the texture over the envelope like this. For giving texture, you have to use the foam here. I'm using here. Please mute yourself, ma'am. Lots of disturbances coming from your side. Shraddha Shah, ma'am, lots of disturbances coming. This is how we can use the foam for giving the texture over the envelope. I'm using here yellow color, green color, and red color for giving the texture. Here is my yellow color. See, it will look like this. Okay, now we have to proceed further. Okay. Now border envelope I am showing you. You can use borders for making the envelopes. Ma'am, lots of disturbances is coming. Shreya Sheetal ma'am, please mute yourself. Yes, now border envelope I am showing you. Lots of disturbances coming from your side, ma'am. Please mute yourself. Shreya Sheetal ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, ours is in mute only, ma'am. Now, just to talk to you, I have unmuted. It's not
Okay.
from our end.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Let me check. Okay, now it's time to learn about the border envelopes. Here, I have an old marriage card with the borders. You can cut these borders and paste over the envelope. You can use these borders like this. Here, I have made this card. Okay, you just try it by yourself, cut the borders and paste it like this. Paste the envelope and your envelope card is ready like this. Okay, I have made another one like this.